was a landmark occasion at the unveiling of the police logo structure within the premises of the Lagos State Police Command. In attendance were the 9th Brigade Commandant, representatives of the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian Navy, area commanders across Lagos, and divisional police officers in the state as well.
General salute! Present arms!
The initiative behind the structure is a result of loyalty and commitment to service in comparison to other sister agencies through emulating the same ideology in various commands at the state level.
Glory of God Almighty, I commissioned this Nigerian Police logo and fountain in memory of officers of the Nigerian Police who have paid the supreme price in order to keep Lagosians safe, and in honor of serving officers who remain committed to keeping Lagos safe.
For our own internal efforts, we also want to challenge the citizens themselves to be part of that change. We cannot effect that change alone. If we are talking of rebranding, altering our culture, and trying to get close to the citizens themselves should also do a kind of internal soul searching. What are we also doing that is not right, that is not encouraging the police to also work freely and in synergy with them? So it should be a mutual thing. In the upcoming weeks, we'll also introduce you to a significant step that we have taken in the command, which is an attempt to replicate the concept of the complaint response unit in line with the statutory provision. There's a provision for that under the New Police Act 2020, and I think Lagos State is taking the lead in establishing it. We have gone far in equipping the center, and I don't think I would want to give further details on that, but in the next few weeks, maybe first week of August, we are going to launch it. And it will be an effort to again strengthen the accountability process of the Nigeria Police in synergy with the members of the public. So we are establishing the complaint response unit under the Office of the Commissioner of Police, where citizens can call in. It's a fully equipped, ultra-modern call center that will respond to citizens' complaints, observations about police conduct on the field, and they will respond to those complaints real time. So that is in the pipeline, and it will soon be unveiled.
The Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, CP Oloworo One-year, seized the occasion to applaud other security agencies in this collaboration to achieve the objectives for national interest. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosi for Newsbuster TV.